Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install AlmaLinux OS 9.6 on VMware workstation. Okay, first go to AlmaLinux OS official website, that is AlmaLinux.org. Click on download. Then see here we have the AlmaLinux OS 9.6 DVD ISO, boot ISO and minimal ISO. And if you want to find the differences, see here they have clearly given the differences. But in this video I am going to download this DVD ISO, okay, which contains all packages. So click on this AlmaLinux OS 9.6 DVD ISO. No need to register. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is 11.4 megabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. Okay, see here I have already downloaded AlmaLinux 9.6 DVD ISO. But if you want less size, you have to click on boot ISO or minimal ISO. Once download is completed, then open VMware workstation. Now click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Click on next. Now select the installer disk image file. Then select the downloaded AlmaLinux OS 9.6. Select this DVD ISO, click on open, then click on next. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving AlmaLinux 9.6 VM. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. Select the path where you have the enough space. Click on OK, then click on next. Provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes, then click on next. See, this is the summary of the virtual machine. If you want to change any one of this hardware information, click on customize hardware. I want to increase memory to 4 gigabytes from the 2, or you can provide it here manually. If you want to increase CPUs, you have to select and you have to increase it. I am okay with all the settings, then click on OK. And also if you want to enable virtualization, you have to select this. Okay, don't select this power on this virtual machine after creation, then click on finish. Still, if you want to provide any description for this virtual machine, here you can provide. Okay, still if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, then click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings, or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. See, use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install AlmaLinux 9.6. See, if cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control to release the cursor. Now select the language and click on continue. See here, the beginning station has been grayed out. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color must be configured. So click on this installation destination. I am okay with the default location. Then click on done. Then set the root password. Provide the password for root account. Confirm the same. If you want to lock, select lock. I don't want, so allow. Then select this checkbox, that is allow root SSH login with password. Then click on done. Now user creation, create user, provide user full name. This is the username. Then make this user as administrator. Then provide the password. Confirm the same. Then click on done. Now if you want to select the softwares, click on software selection. See here, server GUI or server, minimal install, workstation, custom operating system and virtual host. Okay, I am going with the server with GUI. And if you want, see, if you select these options, this additional software information will be changed. And if you want to select these additional softwares, you can select them. Okay, then click on done. It is up to you, whatever you want you can select. If you want to change the time and date, you can select region from this list and city or you can select on this globe. I'm okay with the default, so click on done. Okay, I'm okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, click on reboot system. Now click on username and provide the password that you have set. Click on no thanks. Then open terminal. Increase the font. Now verify the IP of this machine. ifconfig. See, this is the IP of the machine. Control it. Now verify the version that you have installed. More /etc OS-release. See, we have installed AlmaLinux 9.6. Control it. The first step after connecting to AlmaLinux OS is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update && sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. See, all packages are up to date. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install AlmaLinux OS 9.6 on VMware workstation. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.